Is it going? All right, listen up. We're about to get a good little, we're about to get a little lunch at Roseanne's, honestly. So I think I'm gonna do like a buffalo chicken empanadas or something. And then I'm probably gonna get like a chicken Caesar wrap. I think that's what I'm gonna do. One time, nah, I've never been here. Do you have a menu or something? Or is it just on here? Oh, perfect. We're doing a little food review. You got the grilled chicken Caesar wrap? Okay, I'll do the breaded chicken Caesar wrap. Yeah. I'll go with the seasoned fries. Awesome. We got it, baby. Damn, I'm actually upset about the buffalo chicken empanadas. Nah, I got no cash. No cash over. Can't complain. Another day in the office.
$14.85.
How much?
$14.85.
Beautiful. Thank you.
No, thank you. Enjoy.
Of course. You know what I'm saying? Support local business always.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Of course. I'll be back soon. I need those buffalo chicken empanadas, man. I'm excited for those, man. Alright. I'm excited for those, man. Have a good one, alright? We're doing a food review today at Roseanne's Kitchen. You know, good people over there. I definitely, you know, they had great customer service. They were pretty quick, probably like a 5 to 10 minute turnaround. I asked for some, you know, condiments. First one, she says, is garlic mayo. I mean, how could I say no? First time ever going there, you know, it's close to me, you know, I acted like I was a food critic. They gave me a discount, made sure to tip them well. I mean, what can I say? Let's see the proportions in this bad boy. All right, so we got the seasoned fries in here. Let's see what we got going on. Wow. Usually I'd start with like the main course, but like I'm feeling these fries right now. I've had a lot of fries from a lot of different places in my day, you know. Talking McDonald's, BK, you know, Five Guys. I'm talking fast food right now, but I've had fries from about probably like 1,000 places, man. Like, I mean, what can I say? Like, get that in the, get that in that good garlic mayo. That's a little much for me, but. And double dip because we don't share. It tastes like, it just tastes fresh. Like I love my potato skin too. Like each fry like is basically like straight potato skin on that shit. Like I was gonna say like 8 or 8.5, but like it might be like a smooth 9. You know, they just put the right amount of seasoning on it, bro. They got Parmesan on these shits. Like they must have knew I was Italian. Like. Let's get that crack. Not too much cheese spread, but just gotta get rid of that lettuce, that romaine, you feel me? Something I do want to say, that Caesar sauce is like really tangy. I'm gonna give it an 8.5. Yeah, definitely gonna give it an 8.5. I definitely can't complain with this place. Like I think I'm gonna be eating here way more often. Just support, you know, support local. Okay, don't go to McDonald's, yo. They're already rich. And the food sucks. What can I say? Fast food is Dukington's. I know these people have a nice fresh kitchen, keeping that shit clean every day. You know, not greasy, not dirty. That's how we like it. And yeah, man. What can I say? It's a cut.
Life in a cage, not found by me. I ain't gotta be.
Chewing it.
Yep.
It's actually hilarious. What kind of sauce is that? Shawty!
Those are some pants.
Shit looking good.
Thick neck. And how much?
This guy got my personal on, cuz. That's what I got.
Oh shit.
Let me see what he got going
Ask
on.
how much his fit costs.
Buddy's got the North Face Supreme on. He knew he was recording.
He did.
That swatch is fire though. Let me see that. The cheetah print.
Got me blowed, yo. Yeah, I got that mohair on my nose hairs, cuz.
whenever I want to. I just don't know what to say when I'm around you. I got bags under my eyes, it's like a dead jet.
We got the kittens on the merchandise and shit. You know what's going on? Yo, tell them what you've been up to, man. This guy's been cooking up all day. Taking this machine downtown. Forget it. How are they supposed to look without you telling, man? Fuck. Yo, what you got going on over here, man? Well, you know, that's what he's got going on over there. We got a backwards cap hoodie right here. These are heavily in production at the moment. Kitten got it on this one, but it's all Gucci. We do the whole we whip out the lint roll before we ship them out, so you could totally you don't gotta worry about that.
Yo, if you got cat allergies, we wash it for you beforehand. You know what I'm saying? We wash it for you every time.
Couple here, couple there. I think we got a few done, you know. So I mean, we're working on it. You know what I'm saying? I mean, who else got a cap on their hoodie? That's another day in the office.
Where did it go? Days in my denim. Go. I be drinking water. Where did it go? I be feeling water, you don't really know. I just kissed the cup. Bitch, I'm drinking. 20 milligrams in my body like I'm back around the mall like a zombie with my go. I used to have a sense of time. Where did it go? Used to sugar on it with a lime. Now it's soda with a lime. Where did it go? Thought I had a pill in my pocket. I just had a thing with a lost it. Where did it go? I was far from